In this video, children, we are learning transposition method of solving linear equations. In yesterday class, we learnt about linear equation. What is a linear equation? An equation in which this variable power is 1. That equation is called linear equation. So you see, this is an equation and here x to the power is 1. So this is a linear equation. Now problem is how to find out value of this x. So to find out value of this x, there is one method, that is transposition method. What we do in this method? We take the variable on one side and we take the numbers on other side. If we want this plus 3 on right side, then we have to make it transposed. हमें इसको उधर लेके जाना है दूसरी साइड में. If we have to shift this that side, then we have to change its symbol. If this is here plus 3, so when it will get transposed to other side, then this plus 3 will become minus 3. X is equals to 10 minus 3. So what will be x value? That will be 7. If one thing is added on one side, so to make it balance, if we take it other side, then we have to subtract the same thing there. So that is why when this goes to other side, we have to subtract this plus 3 and we have to make it minus 3. So on transposition, this plus symbol becomes minus symbol. When this plus goes to other side, it becomes minus symbol. So x is equals to 7, and on transposition, plus symbol becomes minus symbol when it goes on right side. So this is one of the example. Now let us take one more example. Now this is the equation, x minus 5 equals to 10. So children, हम क्या करेंगे? ये minus 5 है, इस minus 5 को फिर से हम transpose करेंगे दूसरी side में. So when it goes to other sides, then obviously this minus 5 symbol will get changed to other side and it will become plus 5. When minus 5 will go that side, it will become plus 5. So on transposition, this minus symbol has become plus symbol. 10 plus 5 and it will be 15. So what happens? Minus symbol, when it gets transposed, then it becomes plus symbol on going to other side. And this is the answer. Now let us have one more example, other sort. If the question is like this, again we have to find out this x. Now you see the symbol between 6 and x is multiplication. So when this 6 goes right hand side, then it will go in division because it is here in multiplication. So when it will go to right side, then 6 will come down and it will come in division. 12 upon 6 and x value will be 2. So to make it balanced, when it goes to other side, then multiplication term gets converted into division on transposition and x value has come as 2. Multiplication symbol always turns to division symbol. 6 was in multiplication earlier, and when it goes transposed to other side, it has become as division symbol. It has come in division symbol, and this way answer has come as 2. Let's come to other example. This is t division 5 and that is 10, and again I have to find out this t. Again I will have to transpose this 5 that side. Here 5 is in division. When it will go to right side, it will turn up into multiplication. It will go and turn in multiplication, answer will be 50. So what we have observed is one number is in division on left hand side. So when it gets transposed to other side, it turns into multiplication. Division turns into multiplication. This 5 was in division. Now it has changed into multiplication and answer has come as 50. I hope all these examples are clear. Now this sort questions you can do easily now. Okay children.